it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's video, Erin will be sharing with you 10 of her all-time favorite nail hacks.
Hey guys, it's Erin. This nail hack is important because a lot of manicure techniques have you soaking your nails in some sort of water before doing your manicure. But your nails actually absorb water, which makes them flatten out. So the natural C-curve of your nail will be much flatter after soaking them in water for too long. This is not ideal for a new manicure since you want your nails to be dry. So if you have soaked your nails or they're waterlogged for some other reason, make sure that you give them time to completely dry out before giving yourself a new manicure. Better yet, just avoid soaking your nails like this altogether. Just make sure that you have a strong C-curve in your nail before painting them. Here you can tell the difference between my nail that's a little bit flatter because it has water absorbed in it, versus a few minutes later when I've cleaned my nail and given it time to dry and the C-curve is much stronger. This hack is going to make sure that your nail polish adheres to your nails and make sure your manicure lasts longer. It's really important to make sure your nails are completely clean before doing a new manicure. Your nails can have things on them like lotions and even the natural nail oils from your skin. So to make sure that your nails are completely free of anything separating the nail polish from your nail plate, take some rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip or piece of cotton and fully clean off your nail to make sure that it's completely dry and free of any oils. When you let the rubbing alcohol dry, you can actually see your nail plate dry out a little bit, which is kind of what you want because it's going to make a perfect surface for your nail polish to adhere to. This next nail hack is really helpful if you don't have liquid latex or another way to clean up around your nail, but you have a peel-off base coat. So I'm going to be taking my peel-off base coat and I'm going to be painting that around my nail on the skin instead of liquid latex. I'm letting that dry completely and then doing whatever messy nail art I'm going to do. Then you can peel off this base coat just like a liquid latex. And there you have super easy cleanup and you only had to use one product. This next nail hack everybody should know because it makes sure you get the most out of your manicure. Proper nail painting technique is super important, so when you're doing your nails, you always want to make sure to cap the free edge. This helps slow down the chipping of your nail polish and just makes the manicure look more complete and last longer. So for every coat of color and top coat, I'm painting my nail and then just gently swiping the brush along the bottom of my nail to cap the free edge of my nail. And there you have a really nice polished manicure that will last longer. This nail hack will help your neon nail polishes look their best. When I apply this neon yellow on its own, it's really streaky and thin and would take 3 or 4 coats to be completely opaque. So instead of doing that, I'm making my neon polish super bright by starting out with a white base. Once my nail is painted white, I'm applying the neon polish over that. And all I need is 1 coat of the neon for a super bright highlighter yellow. You can see a side-by-side here of the neon with and without white, and the difference is so clear, the camera is almost having trouble catching the brighter neon yellow. This is a great nail hack if you have a glitter nail polish, but the payoff isn't great and you don't want to do 3 or 4 coats of a glitter. So instead of painting it on with the brush, I'm taking a makeup sponge. You can also use an art sponge or any kind of sponge that you have lying around. And I'm painting the nail polish right onto that and letting the base absorb into the sponge. That's going to leave all the glitter behind. And then I can easily sponge the glitter right onto my nail. So I have maximum glitter payoff without huge thick coats of glitter nail polish. I'm just repeating that until I've covered every inch of my nail. And then finishing off with top coat for super sparkly glitter nails. This nail hack is another really great technique tip that's going to make you get a better manicure. Sometimes when you have a light color or a thin nail polish, it can be really tempting to do thicker coats of nail polish so you don't have to do so many. But if you apply thick coats of nail polish, they're not going to dry properly and can easily smudge and will just end up getting a lumpy and not super clean manicure. So instead of doing 1 or 2 thick coats, do more thin coats because that's going to make sure the polish dries in between coats. You'll also get a better even surface and overall a manicure that will just last longer and look better. Everyone who's worn glitter nail polish knows that it's a pain to remove, so here's a hack for easily removing glitter nails. Take a piece of cotton soaked in acetone and place it over your nail, and then just take some regular tin foil, rip off a piece to wrap around your finger, and firmly wrap your finger with the aluminum foil. That way the cotton ball soaked in acetone can fully soak onto your nail. The aluminum foil is also going to help keep the heat in from your skin, which will help the acetone work faster. You can leave this wrap on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then with just a little bit of massaging, I'm going to easily remove the glitter. And as you can see, after just 5 or 10 minutes, pretty much all the glitter is gone. I'm just taking another piece of cotton with acetone and removing any bits of glitter that might be left behind. So much easier than scrubbing and picking at your nails forever. A lot of nail files, especially emery boards, can really tug and pull at your nails and just leave a jagged surface even if you can't really see it. So instead of filing really hard in both directions back and forth, be a little slower and more careful with the emery board and only file in one direction. Making sure you're not pressing too hard and filing in one direction is going to make sure you're left with a smoother surface and you're not damaging your nails. This nail hack is a lifesaver for my hands and my cuticles. I have super dry, sensitive skin, so anytime I'm having trouble with that, I do this. Take your favorite hand lotion and/or cuticle oil and apply it to your skin and your nails. And then to make sure that your skin absorbs all that moisture and really locks it in, just apply a pair of thin cotton gloves that you can easily find online. And you can either wear those for as long as you want, maybe while watching an episode of your favorite show. I like to wear them overnight too. And after wearing those gloves for a little while with the lotions and cuticle oils, your hands are going to be super soft and moisturized. So there are 10 nail hacks everyone should know. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to see more from cutepolish, you can click the boxes here and click the circle here to subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail channel.